Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung just launched the Galaxy F15 5G, the company's latest 5G smartphone in the F series in India, as it had promised. The phone packs a 6.5 FHD plus 90Hz AMOLED Infinity-V display with a 13MP camera inside the notch, is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus SoC with up to 6GB of RAM and up to 6GB of virtual RAM and 128GB of inbuilt storage. Hence, it offers seamless and responsive performance while accessing multiple apps. Also, you can store various files like songs, videos, games, and more without worrying about space constraints. The phone has a 50MP rear camera along with 5MP ultra-wide and a 2MP macro cameras. The phone runs Android 14 with One UI 6, and the company has promised 4 generations of Android updates and 5 years security updates for the phone. The Galaxy F15 5G comes with Samsung's voice focus feature, which enhances voice quality during calls by filtering out the background noise and boosting vocal frequencies. The feature works with video and voice calling apps like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, and Zoom. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and packs a 6000 mAh battery with support for 25W fast charging, but it doesn't come with a charger in the box. This phone packed with exciting features that anyone can buy. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.